muno makiria niho gwenda twanjiririe
Yes.
hau ha aciari ni maroria watoto wa siku hizi.
Oh yes.
Na ciana igakiuga atiriri na aciari a thiku ici ri
Yes.
matira understand. Tugakiona riri ta hena disconnect. Na niho gwenda twanjie ni hari na kurekania hakinya ni ureri he muciari na mwana ri.
Yes.
Hena disconnect na igana atia.
Absolutely. Kuna disconnect nene, but it is natural. It's very natural.
Okay, ni normal.
Ni normal. In fact, it is very abnormal gikoro ni mura elewana completely with your daughter and son. Niki, no mwaka koro kyuria because in a sociology class I learned culture is ever evolving.
Unduire
ugicenjagia every time. Riu hena uria aciari tumekaga maundu mao na with time maundu macio magacenjia. Ureri hena uria wahanaga. Ithuĩ twakũra tukimenyaga hena ka verse kendagwo muno ici ingĩ cikaigwo kando. Verse yeragwo atiriri, spoil the rod, spoil the child.
Spare the rod, spoil the child.
Spare the rod, spoil the child. Kau kendagwo muno, gagacokerwo muno tondu ithuĩ aciari itu mamenyaga kĩboko nĩkĩo kĩaragia. Thaa ici geria kuhura mwana ukaigua my rights, you're abusing me mom. You're abusing manze. Why are you doing this to me? You don't love me. And what is happening is because these kids are becoming more intellectual. Todume exposed.
Tuna mahida ma technology.
Absolutely. Ciana ici nĩ thomu. Na nikiorona ciana uria ciraria. I have a daughter who has been trending wa my friend witagwo DJ Mo and Saizit. Kairetu kao ni ukaniro akona.
Ndirakonete gakiaria githungu.
Kahuthaga githungu kia maniuru. Mommy, how are you doing? Riu ni culture ya evolve. Aciari ona ni moi their own cultures. No riu aya ni makiena ka culture keru. That is to mean no na CBC uria aciari me on toes. And do you know no sinzi ona ithuĩ tũrĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ nĩ kũgeria tũgeretie ati no tura keep up with our language and our culture.
Yes, ni turahota kwaria
Gikuyu
maundu.
And I can sense or I can tell it has taken us a lot of effort. If you look at our peers, kure ingiona matoi Gikuyu na matoi our culture. Wamuria mwati na harika makoria ati uga ati. So it is taking an effort. And that's why I celebrate you. In fact, I'm one of your big fans. And it's an honor na wikara haha. Tondu my senior kiengei ni agikoragwo haha Kathikuna, my friend called Catherine Karira. We work with her.
Okay.
We work with her. Riu it's a big honor to be here. Riu maundu maya mothe ri ni kumanisha tugia kwimenyerera ri we have to learn. But you see tutingiteaniria culture ciothe ni tondu hena maundu mega twagirwo gupick. Now that brings me to something where now I come in. I went to Africa International University to do divinity and psychology for my bachelor's.
Okay, okay.
Ni maundu at least thomeire na sometimes as much as parenting ndithiagirwo cukuru
gutuika gutire formula ya gutire kirathi mundu aingiragio
ati twathii kirathi riu kia uciari no there is none
kaingona ndonaga hitu agiko mundu ni athia kirathi getagwo atia ici ciana iki mukiharirio makibatithio kana ndi mabatithio mari angima hau no hihi mwiragwo
na nikia wiki igiri
gathira no parents uturire waku wothe. Absolutely. So gutire ati passe a certain formula as you've put it, a certain book. Nikore book nyingi of course ya parenting, but there is no one book ona Bibilia no anga miharia igana ona na niyo tukombainaga tugagithoma na tukakoro na uge no ni kure principles na nicio icio riu cithomagirwo cukuru maundu maria magigutongoria
magigutongoria one atiriri ungirumirira kare-ini gakare maundu maya ni meguguteithia. And one of the principles is what we call parenting responding to child development psychology.
Uria mwana rathia gikuraga.
Thank you. No radeithia riu gutaura.
Etaru rakigwa okono garia kwaria ndo itona riu maraki.
Tugathie tutikamate.
Tondu githungu na kugari.
Ati riu kurera mwana
uria arakura.
Ukirespondaga no uria arakura. Riu mwana mugima ndareragwo uria mwana munini areragwo.
Munini.
Na riu haha niho tuthia na stages ciitagwo riri ni twambagia na infancy. Gekanini na mwana ajagia kurerwo enda. Believe it or not. And that is why such a topic oguo ciana ci mucini wega tugakorana topics ta ici muciari ucio wi hau tondu we thank God that Kameme we are watched by different people. Hena mundu kuona apik kindu infancy no ri mwana endari tamakanie menyaga.
Okay.
Na nikio igua ona muthuri wi hau nduka stress mutumia na nda. Stress icio ni cikinyagira mwana. So give the mother peace. Support mamu wao mwana ni kumenya.
Etia cravings ogategera.
Mutumia akathore ndio na etagwo Nyawira my wife. How ni uga yes. Chege umesikia hiyo? She's very big on those, you know, chocolate. Today I'm feeling like choma. Modo tamasha murehere tamaka. Why? Mami wao akena gikeno kiu nigo go translate. Niki mwana ariaga okiria nyina ariaga. Ningi mamu wao ni othiaga akiaragiria mwana. Arioda thi haria uka prophesy mwana. Ukago you're a king, you're a queen.
Maundu kurathira mwana waku maundu mega.
Ukaratha tamaka mwana ucio ni iguaga na thayo ucio muraikara naguo nyumba ni iguaga. That's why you hear doctors tuma na ndagitari haha ni gukwira mwana angikorwo mamu wao either she's in a violent family.
Kundu kwina bara.
Either kuna bara ya ciugo kana ya mwiri ni gukona chances ginya mwana ucio kugia cerebral palsy. Tondu stress icio ni ci affect mukurire wa mwana uyu nikiigua mutumia muritu ni eragwo ndukahuthire njohi ndukahuthire thigara because when you use these things they will affect that child. So already ni wambia hari andu mateciragia already ni wambiriirie no nake Ngai ni wa magegania tondu ona ni ukoraga have you ever seen mundu ona drunkard ni agia mwana mwega Ngai nake no amenyagirira mundu nikiguaga ni wega tukakimenya Ngai oria thimo yugaga that the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. How to tikorira. By the way, I'll talk about very many psychological things today and counseling things. No kuona turathie tugacoka hangai tondu niho kihumo kia Ureri, niho kihumo kia mawira, niho kihumo kia ginya thayo thiini wa muturire. Reke tume hau mwana reke tuge ni aciarwo by God's grace. The first 3 years, we call it 0 to 3, that's the infancy. Handu ha hothe tugaga affirmation.
No muno umwire ciugo cia kumwikira hinya.
Kumwikira hinya.
Ha
riu ndu anjiririe ndu akihure mwana wa mwaka umwe. Ndugikimuhura. Ha niho haroka ginya kuongithia mwana. Tondu ni hena ndu marakiuga ni kuongithia mweri umwe at least 6 months. To tuga atiriri ndwagithie miaka 3 ati mwana uratembea ngine no uramwongithia
niguo gwathiaga
mwana gathaka gokakonga no 6 months 1 year at most aikoro wi mutana muno 1 year at most but after that riu onake ni ajie kuria so that they are able to grow but the whole point is affirmation. Mwana uyu tiga kuga we ukigite ta baba wanyu tondu urona ni kana gatiranyita tamaka ni karaigua bethe tene tugaga riri oko ni mugate ukaigwa mwana rero tate tugaga ti wega
o mwire ciugo ciengima
mwire mkate maziwa tiga kumutua ni mwana ati kuna tate mwana ucio ni kumukigia uramukigia because mwana ni anyitaga very fast. Very fast.
Ona teru endonaga my friend mari kitie Germany jamano so already athomete language yo anyitete kumakira o mari agima
ukona mwana ucio have you noticed that ciana ici ona mwana munini ona ndari athie cukuru you're having a conversation ukaigwa mommy but you said we should not do that, why are you taking that? Kumbe ni aranyita
uri oreka
na ndari athie cukuru to mean agikorwo mwana uyu ni ure etagwo preaching water and drinking wine. No rera mwana dukane koguo usidanganyane. Mom, you lied to me yesterday. Riu nona riu nikumanisha mwana uyu no mwaka umwaririe ciugo njega no mwafam reke tume hau
ni akira miaka 3 riu
ni akira miaka 3 4 years riu ha niho preschool ni athie playgroup ni igira cukuru 4 years to 11 ni tuigira another section tuga ha hendaga military style. Riu ni gwathuka rimwe ni ngati haru harenda ngati riu
niguo
riu haha ri mwana uyu endaga akenyerio mahenya.
Okay, weiga mahenya ni ate no military andu matauka tofauti he mundu atauka military ndi kuhura he mundu atauka ni gukura ritho
riu ni kamixia kaicio cio
ni takuragirwo ritho
ikota hena ageni be ikarithĩtie hau kahurwo ritho guo kwanza ati urogie kanona hena ageni ukiugaga
so military
mama nataka chapo mbere ya ageni oh hau ni ruero riri tukumenyana mathie
okay
so military haha ni haria heragwo muthori ni wire samaki mkunje angali mbichi na muti urugagwo wi munini
riu hau niho
kuruga kugiria nini unafanya kwa nini unafanya hiyo
no ni ukuheana gitumi tondu kaingi ni twira ciari ri tukwiraga tiga gwika uguo na nduraheana gitumi
you very quick to kuheana mawatho
gukania no nduraheana gitumi urakania niki
ni oka handu hega tondu I think parents think because of their love ndirakuhura tondu nikwendete but you see mwana no age urauga kwerewa
urakania niki
na ithuĩ I think earlier aciari arĩa mararĩ ho kana kahinda kau kararĩ ho rĩ in fact o kĩrĩa werwo no gwĩka as you can tell Nosinzi that is not working right now andũ aya nĩ marenda ku understand why are you saying that mother friends are still going to the same place they're going for that birthday why not me rĩu we wamũgiria
na ndũramũhe itumi
ndũnamwĩra itumi what happens they translate either mom ino no makwire mom is not cool mama elewi mom doesn't love me kumbe we urenda kumugiria nigetha ndagathi gutukana na andu
maundu mange korwo na maundu mange
riu ndunamwira riri I don't want you to go there you might meet bad people riu it gets to a point where now as you're saying nima ni ukurunga no ni ukutuma mundu ucio erewe maundu macio mothe urauga so military style ha niho mawatho megukira na niho tuga atiriri I remember one time ndarogotire ciringi 10 ngiuka ngirira muthe witu ucio Mr Governor ngimwira riu nimepata 10 bahati nayo ngaiukaga na njira nyingi madahurirwo
ni kurogota 10
ndicio ndari kindu 8 years ngirwo umerudisha umetoa wapi tamakanda twaruo maguru nginya ho
ugicokia
rudisha hapa tajira no sizi muthenya ungi oko ni ngona 10 handu kana 50 bob ndungihutia tu ni nguririkana we uria ndatungirio so he instilled in me ni nginya muthi no sizi kindu kia mundu ndingioya ni ona igoti ria mundu ria andu makao me comfortable ni eguka ekire kiratu giaku ni eguka ni ndingihota kindu kiu ni kiangirire thiini wako because of the military style that is the time ya gukania mundu what happens aciari ringiri haha matikanagia ciana
okay
hani okaretwo kababa kamam kadadi gaketo kadadi gakana nae nyoi hena ciana cia 6 years cikoragwo neo boss aginya house helps agathia koya iria ria house help kana either house help nika juice ya kunyuaga akamwira I want this one I want yours I don't want the one in the fridge ndiende yo urenda kunjikira ndende no yaku akamwira hapana I want this I'll come tell mom agakimwira ni sawa na tondu riu nionaga muciari wake uria atritaga mwiritu wa wira ri mwiritu wa wira akagia guoya ndangiaria what has happened mwana ni anana ni athuka riu uyu ni we ugathie acokerie mwarimu in high school muciari oke uru muno auge mwana wako I know my son ndangikoguo no athukiire ha ndanathukira high school mwana I want you to see how sometimes we reverse riu ha no ukore nginya muciari akihura mwana no ni athukire what will happen wahurira mwana late wamuhurira mugimari goes to drugs
riu ni kwanjia kuri
agatuka rebellious akarega noguo tondu riria wari umutare ri ndwamutarire riria wari umuhure umukanie ri ndwamukanirie riu mundu mugima ni urageria kumuteithia na nikio turauga muti urungagwo wi munini munini be very keen be in their space because urona kana kanini gekirite murango-ini akandika hau do not enter
do not disturb
I'm sure you've seen this and even they're writing time beyond 7 p.m. please no entrance no entrance nani gwaku ginya
no ruturio hau ri rutu haha agatagatika ni 4 to 11 ni mafataraga privacy tondu no ginya ke balance tondu rutu he handu kinyaga ciana cia mwana ikanjia kuigua ta ni we space ni yao kaundu koguo balance ya kumenya ni hinda ri na riri aiguo ni gukorwe hana atia
good question because one of the signs of military is uncomfort Military, I know you have an idea of kambi uria guthiaga. Mokiraga 5 na nduma. Mugathondeka moriri manyu. Mugethamba na mai mahehu. Yes.
Sukuru cia
NYS, there's NYS. You know, any military camp, gutire gukoma ati nginya thaa 3 ni tene. Mukauma hau, mugaitirio mai mahehu mugika press ups. Kuma hau mugatwaro grills. Mukahura raini, by them muko muhurite raini. Mukanyua gaturungi gutire iria ati cai wa iria. Yani training.
Ni training.
Ni kunyorothwo.
Ni koragwo i training.
Riu training niyo iraingirira haha.
Okay.
What does it mean? Tonya bedroom iyo. Hingurania wone nguo icio. Why? Hena mwanake twiriga case. Woragire ithe, akiuraga nyina, akiuraga the brothers, which was a story that really shocked the whole of Kenya. The whole of Kenya came to a standstill. Andu makiurania mwana angika ati uguo. Tha icio ni mwana murihire university MKU. Ukiuria tiriri ni kiaga. Mundu murihire university athoma uguo wothe university niguo ona aciari ake tiega. No kwa ria muisho after the CID did their analysis, they realized mwanake o hena ka movie onaga ka murder series. Na agathomire no ria mathecanaga na tuhiu no guokire aciari. Angikorwo muciari ni onete movie icio ucio ni angiatirirwo kuri cege ndeherwo. Angikorwo ti uguo ni angiatirirwo onako ni borithi. Ero uyu maundu mari enamo ta muthondekei. So we would have dealt with the issues earlier. Tungiamutharite kana tukadeal nake muira guthukite. So that's what we're talking about.
Military ni kumenya mwana ucio ni kiareka aratakenia ni kiarona no aracera nake koguo ni kiundu 360 jete ni undu umwe ugatiga undu uyu ungi.
Absolutely. Kuma hau ri riu haha ni ho ringi yes teenage ri haha ni ho riu ringi turaga because uma military aciari riu ni mendete military muno na
in fact we serious musiari ategia military mode all
the way uigua riri ona wareiha ni ngukugutha niguo ciari maugaga riu you don't realize ni urate mwana. What happens is this: by the time they hit 12 all the way now to 18 years hatuga dialogue
riu ni kwaranĩria.
Yeah, thank you. Story ni acenjia riu military mieherie in that picture.
Riu akinya 12 riu tigana na
ajie gucenjia. Wow. I remember my dad did the same thing.
Okay.
He was very tough on me. So I was a very vibrant kid. Kone dari na ithako ringi muno. No reke ngure dakinya class 7 haria ka adolescence ka bagia nwajia kindu gitagwo crash na kamundu urona haria kirathi ukaigua wega
na maundu mangine maticenjagia.
Yes. You see my feelings maria mokaga ni wajia kugia ka base kanini maundu macio ni wajia kwimenya. He called me one time akijira riri inu riu tutingirwa you're a grown man. Riu kungiumira undu ri we talk like men. Anoko ni bara no turuire.
Muikare the room one.
We are men. He changed to the extent akijira when you have a girlfriend please ukamurehe nyumba. Tamaka muthe oi girlfriend yako the.
Nyoge kinya ne kugia mucii.
Imagine, and you know what? Do you know there is no yogirehera muciari mundu hau mwagane? Because something that is in the light mugikara wega. In fact on all the maria kanitha avithi to nikindo ngimurehera kamundu kena matatu meho ma piercings ukumurehera mundu
taruno akimenya no akienda
unasema unajua unasema kuchoma picha ndio gucina mbica koguo ri ni undu woguo guikara utheri-ini ri tondu uria guthiaga we hithari. Right now one of the schools I'm mentoring, there is a during COVID mena kindu mareta nursing mothers class. Nursing mothers class already ndora ni wanyita ni kuga atia. Nursing mothers ni kuga airetu mena ciana a number of 40 maigito kirathi kando
na magire hindi ya COVID.
Hindi ya COVID tuiretu twa form 2 form 3 form 4 you can imagine a number of 40 girls ginya me kirathi kiao kando. That is to mean ciana ici ureciria ni kana no ni kana kena mwana tondu we no ingire kirathi kiu ona ni tuiretu tunini. So I know one of the days I'll call you to the to mente ugingira no ukona ni twana
no turona bisika no anini
akiri ao ciana nini but they have children. urona mundu ina mwana tari o mwana hena tundu oi
na uyo egukinya ni mwana egukinya 12 otogoru ni mundu atuika mwiri wake ni ta wa
they are grown. So they are grown physically.
No bado meshiria.
In their minds they are not yet grown fully. Todo tugaga 25 is where your brain fully grows.
Okay.
And for men they are a bit late, about 28. Right?
Okay.
For ladies they are a bit earlier. Kogwo nyodo wogwo at 25, range ya 25 to 26, that's where you're safe to get children and to marry. But earlier, and that's why you see most of these young teen mothers, matigagira mamu ao, ihenya. Akora, onanika vode na ku, because riu arigago uyu ni kumwethera ciana riu kumwethera irio ni kumwethera ki kumuhumba kai ndingihota.
Haya twi tondu dialogue hatagati ga 12 na 18 ri mieri no ri egutafanio na njira ihana ate tondu ririkana riu age no ni very experimental age no kaingi matienda guturana ona
Oh yeah. And they even tell you how to dress when you come. Makwira mamu vai hata anaweza kuchagulia.
Ugo musiari ri taru me musiari agwo ni miario ni micii ni ria muraria ni muthie handu ni muthie awoka ko ni murathie mugura tondu tu nandu maraturorera megicagi you know miario agwo ni gutafanio atu tondu to kwaria ni njui timing ni very important.
Good question. Na ha ni tugutigite kindu kimwe that no matter the stage of kurerari, friendship is important.
No,
that one needs to be there. Na urato yori is another name for love. Na tugaga love is not a wish for the child, it is a need.
Mono shudi na fatara.
Ni kidu it's a basic need.
It's a basic need.
Ori arabatara kuria ri na kwihumba ri naguo wendo wikire oho. Tariu mwana kiucio that case area tuga we can use it as a case study. Ucio oragire family ri gutuikaga baba for the longest time has been in US. So could be damenyire wendo wa baba. Ni ndio ni andu igana manero ni baba I love you.
Ni mauga.
Kare kunyita ngathiti uguo. Kwina irio. Kwina sukari. Ucio niguo wendo.
No, taru thini wa Africa ito setup uri ekoragwo ehana ri ngwiciria hi aciari mataukagwo ati akuhe kira giothe urabatara ni akwendete tondu no ndi kuheirio nguthu-ini
riu oko na ni ngurihire bithi
no ngurihire bithi nguthu-ini
no uyu ni arihirwo nginya karihirwo hostel
no kongo basically gutamuka kiugo kiu kwira mwana waku aigua geciugo icio
yes ukamwira no ukamuonia and be with them. Me I remember iheo in class 7 my dad ni okaga dayo kio best improved dayo kio leader ukona niyo kana kuhura bisha. What does that ring to your system? Wow, kumbe kuheo karamu kau dayo naga set muciari kumbe niyo nducio noritu ndungimugwithia ona we githoma ri ni ona ni urenda uperform ringi nigetha agoka. I remember a school in Muranga for my high school muciari okaga all the way. One time he actually literally came with mundu wa video uguranyona in media ri. I've been in media for about 5 years now. Muthe niwe wambiriirie okire na mundu wa video na mami witu arehete thina muno riu urokara mundu wa video wake and that day Kembiki Turao had come to the school girwo present poem yetagwo We Are the Leaders of Tomorrow na hidio niguo riboro wa Karo mundu iriro umite ngina tiga wari mwana wako kedoerera ngina ngirikia. Do you know that's how my talent grew. Kugo muciari ni undu wa go take that step ya kunyenda ri na ni talent yakwa igikura no oguo tuuga ri ni aciari igana meraga mwana wake I love you, I'll support you. Kana uga we DJ akwira we DJ icio ni ukumenya we
wekira kondo kungi no tigoko.
I know. Now let me go to the final step. Tuga mundu akiria above 18 years how ni friendship
oru ni urata
ndungiatha mundu wina ID niki ona thirikari mundu wina ID ni mwitikiritie ona kuhikania
ni watho
ni watho ucio riu ni wa thirikari. But you see the friendship iria warimeire niyo guteithagia
ru ndugeno koretwo ru ukirimira kwa
that's where now it comes in. Na nikionaga atiriri gutwikaga airetu magikura especially this teenage time matiguanaga na mamu wao monaga mathitari mtiaji ni mukari muno no gutwikaga riria kahika
atwikaga murata
thimu itindaga he mamu wao riu kamukimo karugagwo atia chapo rugagwo atia kwanza riu angigia mwana ona no yete mamu wao okay amuteithie kurera ukarigwo na niguo mutaiguanaga ri niki
gia cenjia
because they say the same way your parents were treating you nawe wakurakura no guo gatwika wakuhana niki you will understand them. Have you noticed maundu maria mari maritu muno aciari tu magiturera thaici niguo mwendaga muno kariele kai kumbe nikio kagona kumbe nikio kagona
munyita nira mutaukwo
yes uka understand the struggles, the sacrifice na nikio turenda kwira the young people never be entitled.
Okay.
Todo
unata wagirirwo
ni jagiro the best life heo mugunda heo besha higurirwo wira. Have you had a conversation right now that is happening mareto Gen Z? Gen Z guratwika marenda gucererwo wira marenda gukinya thaa 3 na kuma gukinywo thaa 2 marenda marihwo the biggest amount makinya late marihwo the biggest amount na maume tene yani they feel entitled.
No juria ni entitlement kana ni gukorwo makimenya na of course ni debatable value yao tondu kaingi ungiona uria system ithondeketwo ri system ya muturire he kindu gitagwo no nginya urihe dues no nginya ugerere mamwe ti andu othe mageragira but he maundu no nginya ugerere ma muturire hihi nigetha wone kindu
no
anyita kwa tuka Gen Z ino struggle matiraigwa
I come through lazima nianze chini naanza chini kwa nini let me show you where it came from.
Nego magaya useja system kana go counter ura system ihana.
Let me show you where it came from. Aciari tu magikura ri hari karwimbo karia kahuthagia aciari othe twatindagira muthenya tutarite irio ciarĩ cia hwainĩ tukarĩa gatheri tugathiĩ tugakoma kaida tuti ungira muciari wothe ona thaa ici hena mwe maita tuithuri hanini to ni maririkana ui mane twaririrwo na thina no mauma hau makeina rwimbo rũinirwo nĩ the late waka half akiuga ndĩna twana twakwa niĩ itangĩenda tũthabu tũrĩo nĩ thĩna torĩa ndarerirwo naguo rĩu twekwo atĩa twakirerwo na Weetabix twanani kababa na kamamu riu ndakahutio werwo wakanirio mwana waku neighbor akwira na huyu alikuwa anachapa huyu anamchapa juu yeye ni strong agakithukia mwanae ugakimunanie tondu ndurenda agerere mathina maria wagereire no nonsense haho kinyite ni mathina maria ugereire matumite you become disciplined and focused. But you see urenda kugiria mwana agerere challenges na nicio cikumwaka so you are covering them hakuwe mwikire ginya homework ni kumwenda you know my king my queen
daka ngangane meciria-ini
no na butterfly nigeragira process itagwo egg larva pupa adult na nikinya handu hetagwo caterpillar na nigetha tuke caterpillar ri ikoragwo ina cocoon ni ta shell ni ta shell ino ya itumbi gutuikaga atiriri nigetha yume hau tuke butterfly ri no mwaka ing'eng'ane iguthe that shell nigetha yumire yaumira niguo giaga hinya wa kumbuka no we ungitua wi mwega urutanie that shell yume ndikombuka tondu mathagu ni maga hinya kuri na aciari ma breakire the shell for the children ukiaga kumuhe space let them struggle a bit nyonaga ginya baba witu akinjira nona roya kana karathi ugo maguru gathie kuhingika hanini muci woi ugaga ugu tiga nake muthenya ungi agwa ri ndagwitikira kugwa muthenya ungi. That's what you're talking about. Of course be careful, we are not saying you be reckless. No, give mwana room agiene na mathomo make agiene na goals ciake nigwa nirenda gutuika you know I always tell the young people when I go to these schools urauga urenda gutuika engineer gutuika doctor no ndakuria combination ya subjects ndui ndakuria which are the hospitals we have in Nairobi ndungigweta twina Nairobi Hospital, Mata Hospital, Kenyatta Hospital, which are the public, which are the private, which are the top, which are the cancer centers ndui no rogo I want to become an oncologist. It won't happen in your Form 4. Wina mwaka umwe university ginya ndui university iria ciofaga whether in the country or abroad. Na nikyo ndemeraga as early as Form 1, Form 2 have mentors. Menya andu aria wendaga makunyite guoko. You want to be a media personality na ndungieria na nonsense. Akwira atiriri, these are the subjects, this is the line you should take. Thaici andu othe marauga riri no media turi na opportunities. You see, but it's because no arega komento wero gacera karia mundu ageragira, because the next time we don't know where you'll be on Sizi. Maybe mundu uria uramenta ri niwe guka gitinde kiu giaku, but if they don't accept to be mentored matingiuka.
Haya, na riu ni undu wa muciari tuge tondu tugutugira gutigikoragwo na formula na maundu mathiaga uguo magagithogothana ni undu wa muciari uri realize I don't say it's too late kana amenyete haya ni hahitanirio ndogo ici tugucirata ate tondu nikio twi haha ino tukirikiriria tukurehe muciari na mwana atia ona iko ni gukoretwo na friction iri nigetha at least tugithare kiria gitigarite.
I think here let me look at it from charts to itaga discipline and love chart. Discipline and love chart yugaga o tukona category inya tukambiriria na authoritarian. Authoritarian parent tuga atiriri o niwe discipline yake ikoragwo iguru biu wendo naguo gakorwo withi riu uyu ni ukumenya hana principle nyumba nimesema huku staki hiyo huku ni 6 ukipita 6 urare nje
urare kuri uri
wathoka wi mwaki nyumba iyo no wendo naguo aya ni riu turauga kiugo I love you wakioneire dictionary undu kigwa kigweta kuma hau ni kuri aria tugaga absent
ndariku
ucio nake ri ucio discipline ndiriho no na love ndiriho ani tugaga atiriri une urauga ni gwethera ciana eturukana US Dubai daragirie mona ginya onoko ni online to ni tugukirewa mawira ni magite ni ugukiumagara and we don't have a problem. You will go and look for money. Ni uguthie o uri urika ni uguthie ginya na guku wethe mananathi na guku the kana na ku kirima bogo uthie wethe cash crop ya Nyandarua ni mawaru uthie Nyandarua wethe waru na ni ndenda tumia thiku ici tondu they are very aggressive. They are doing these things mekira gabuti na magathi makendia ginya gikomba, but ndukage time na mwana uyu tondu that absence no ikurehe thina. No ni kuri angi metagwo gullible. Gullible wenda ukoragwo kuri iguru nayo discipline zero. Aya ni umuthia supermarket muguthiite kugura mucere mwana gathia gikarira gitoi kiria giko kinene ugu akugwa mommy I want this ugagifuriza na hasro fund ukagura ngiri 40 na situma na mubango riu mushara waku na budget yaku ya mieri 3 ni yathuka no menye icio ni cuma cia feed ya mwana uyu riu athie gukomberera mwana ni eragwo siwezi
kana twambe tweterere tugwibanga
na ciana hena andu turari meeting cirauga atiriri I was reporting to the parents uria makoretwo makijira chege imagine how wazazi wana promise na watupati
kuweranira ukaneana.
Let me tell you
ndukahane tathi
muciari gukua mwana gukua auru muno wamwira ni ngakugurira muithikiri PS age kugura aonaga muciari muhuthu muno
nduramukua no ritu
tondu menye mwana amenyaga muciari wako guti kindu angiaga na kiuga mwana akiuga mi baba yangu anaweza chapa baba yenu wote mwana amenyaga baba yangu ndio sonko sana ndio mnoma sana riu ri haya iyo ni gullible ndugetikire ati undu wothe mwana arauga so love yes but have discipline iyo niyo ya mwisho tuitaga balanced. And that's the one we recommend in counseling. Mwana uyu ni amenye ni kuona mawatho, don't do that, that is disrespectful. Ndugekiona nona no, at the same time they know if kuoma na ku
no juke mushie
I have the love. Na hena a very great renowned speaker, one of my mentors, na nijua ndu igine mamuthikagiriria to nijui mathaa maitu me hakuhi guthira witagwo TDJX.
Yes.
Now because this story is in the public domain nikio gwenda kumeheana TD Jakes augaga atiriri mwana wake 13 years na nona TD Jakes is an international speaker no ine juga kaingi we can live local but let us think international ukamenyaga maundu maria marathi na mbere riu ni international ni ale tungiuga matari local in fact uhoro uyo akiheo ari ndege-ini agithii in another country kwaria aheo rivoti mwana wa 13 years wake enada
Sarah
yeah, you know about that story. Can you imagine we uraririe family thi ngima waku ni akuremete but do you know what amwirire I don't love you because you have a child or not I love you because you are my daughter na ni undu wa kumuhimbiria those who watched recently ucio no urahirwo touch tell me okonia mwirire I'm so disappointed in you thie na kou dikoi reke twende ciana ici even if the world gives up on them let us not give up on them and I am a product of the prayers of my mom who was my prayer warrior na actually 10 years ago August 12 niguo ahurukire out of a heart attack and she used to pray for me etagwo Joyce Nyagishuhi wa Jenga ari mutumia wa Giro D treasurer I'm a product of her love. In fact, she believed in me. Ajiraga wina kindu kia magegania wina kio. So let us believe in our children even if the world gives up on them.
Tugikuonako.
Ni ogenda kujariria kuri TikTok ngorona content thaka muno. Andika Chege Chosen ni kunyona YouTube Chege Chosen. I'm a youth programs coordinator kuri PCA thome kuguona kuo from Tuesday to Friday goragwo kuo na I'm preparing great content for you. Like tunyitanire na murorima gukumia.
Ni wena namba kana?
I can. If you wish kujitira MC ohiki utarana, you can take my number 0729 731 307 jokere orege 0729 731 307 na riu mukire matha rugoke matha ma family matha inya. Thank you so much.
Thank you muno. Ureri wa Kameme TV ni wakigucio ni mundu gwitwo Chege muno makirie muciari no rakiheo mataro maya tondu we no witongoria we no warehe mwana thino koguo guki balance gatagati ka wendo na gukorwo ukiri na ukinyithia kuguru thi nigetha tugikorwo tukiri na urumwe na uiguano kuri thini wa mucio na mahindini ma holiday na ririkana nigetha kunegeria muhotani witu wa kana ciringi ciake 300 hane thini wa M-Pesa paybill ni 570 3131 account ni kwandika kiugo jaza ciringi ni 99 wakorwo ikihotania ciringi 300 ahotani twe nao maima ana lakini kunegeria muhotani witu wa kana besha ciake na muhotani witu wa kana egwitwo atia nigetha tukimunegerie besha ciake nake akorwo no gutuhingura session iyo egwitwo Benson Kimani niwe muhotani witu wa kana haria thini wa paybill ya 570 3131 account ni mkigo ni jaza ciringi 99 agikorwo akiri muhotani witu wakana tugikinikiria hau no to wikira gaturumo gatafarira itu ya rikiratha muthenya wa umuthe tukumemerekagire mundu gwitwo Maina Kihumo uria mathaa ma hwaini unyitanire nake hakite tafarira-ini ya nditimurano kuma cihanda thaa 1:30 nigetha akorwo yukinyithia ikinya gwa ikinya tugikirika na njira ya uriku cigi uteti no utongoria nithi tugakerokanira muthenya wa rucio wa keri no ngagikwendithiria kiumia kiega na muthenya mwega wina umithio urorima gukumia na thayo wa Ngai ukorwo nawe na tukirokanire muthenya wa rucio getwo Nonsizi moro wa ngethe kiana muthenya mwega na kiumia kiega.